come up with these things. The truck has airbag system on. When I did this 6-inch lift on it, those airbags ain't doing nothing good to this truck no more. See the airbag right here? You can see how much space it has after the lift. So that's how this is gonna look. This part is gonna go to the airbag. This part is gonna sit on the axle on top. Let's see, let's say this is the axle. It's gonna sit just like this. And then I'll have these things bolt down to these bolts. How this looks. I got 2 clamps that will come from the bottom like this and bolt together right here and right here. And on top of here, we got holes here and here. I'll probably go ahead and drill holes right here and bolt it together also right here. I was thinking to weld it. I was thinking to weld this flange to this airbag base, but I thought about it. I'd rather bolt it together here, and then the U-clamps will hold it from the bottom around the axle. I'm gonna go ahead and make another one, and that's how it's made from C-channel. I'll make another one off the video, off the camera, since you've seen how I made the first one. I don't want to bore you with it. I'll go ahead and install it, get it all done, and I'll show you how it looks like. Axle will go in here, C-clamp and airbag will sit on top here. installed. Spaces right here, airbags. So let's go ahead and pump some air in them and see how it works. Alright, so we currently got 13.5 inches on the driver's side. We got about 13.25 on the passenger side. I'll put some air in it and see how it looks. So this side was 13.25. Now it's 14.25. This one was 13.5, now it's 14.5. So you lifted up about 1 inch, but we need to hook up the RV to actually be able to tell how much. I got like 70 psi in those airbags right now. So when I hook up the RV, I will go ahead and level up the truck. If I have to, I don't know, put some more air in. I think they rated up to 100 psi. So I got like 70% in them right now. I might even do more, like 80 to 90 psi. Because it's easier to adjust if you put too much in it and then you go down the road, you don't like it, you pull over and you release the air, release like 10 psi at the time until you get that comfortable ride. So that's it. I got airbags on here now. I've been just flopping around there for 2 years. Ever since I left the truck, they weren't doing me any good, so hopefully finally I got it back on here, ready to haul some heavy loads.